Hello, I'm Chris Sleight, the editor of International Construction magazine, and I'm here in Las Vegas at the 2011 ConExpo-ConAgg exhibition. Now, it's an enormous show covering more than 200,000 square metres, and there's been a terrific buzz here all week, with exhibitors and visitors alike feeling positive about the recovery that's underway in construction and construction equipment markets. As far as new machines are concerned, there are a significant number here that feature Stage 3B or interim Tier 4 engines, and that's to comply with new legislation that came in at the start of the year in Europe and North America to lower exhaust emissions from diesel engines used in off-highway machines. So please sit back and enjoy the highlights of some of the things that we've seen here during the week. Caterpillar showed 5 Tier 4 interim compliant excavators at ConExpo, and the company says they are about 5% more fuel efficient than their predecessors. There's also greater productivity with these machines thanks to an improvement in the hydraulic system. And it's worth saying that Caterpillar was not the only company showing Tier 4 interim machines. The likes of Case, Volvo, Doosan, New Holland and John Deere all showed similar machines with new engines. Now, the Tier 4 interim laws are not just about earth moving equipment, they apply to all off-highway machines. And Wirtgen's compaction specialist Ham showed what is thought to be the world's first Tier 4 interim soil compactor at ConExpo, the 20-ton class H20i. Now, while equipment manufacturers were showing machines including Tier 4 interim engines, the engine manufacturers themselves used ConExpo to unveil their solutions for the Tier 4 final legislation, which comes into force in 2014 and 2015. This is a 15-litre engine manufactured by Cummins, and this company, like many others, is using a selective catalytic reduction system to achieve the final reduction in nitrous oxides. Fuel efficiency was very much in focus with the new equipment on display at ConExpo, and it wasn't just about the diesel engines. There were several companies showing alternative solutions. One good example is this 944K 9 cubic yard wheel loader from John Deere, which uses the diesel engine as a kind of generator driving an electric drivetrain, and the company says this not only reduces fuel consumption but also saves on tyre wear. Buyers will notice the increase in cost due to the new Tier 4 interim engines the most in machines like compressors and generators, where the engine is the major component. And Doosan Infracore Portable Power said that this could add as much as 30 or 40% to the price of a new machine. And it was this kind of equation that led the company to launch an all-electric compressor, the HP 750E, at ConExpo. The company says this will be priced around the cost of its Tier 3 machine, and it will have significant fuel savings when it's used. And if you'd like to know more about this, you should have a look at the video that International Rental News editor Murray Pollock did specifically about this machine. You'll find that in the video zone as well. So far we've looked at quite large equipment because that's what's been affected by the first stage of the Tier 4 interim laws, but there were also plenty of new small machines on show at ConExpo. One which caught our eye is the new E26 reduced tail swing compact excavator from Bobcat, which weighs in at 2.6 tonnes and offers a maximum digging depth of 2.9 metres. There are also a lot of new skid steer loaders on display. After all, the US is the major market for this type of machine, and New Holland was one company making a big splash with a new range. It used ConExpo to show a new family of skid steer loaders, and pictured here is the L220. That's one of 5 new radial lift machines from New Holland, and this particular model has a rated capacity of 905 kilograms and is fitted with a 42 kilowatt engine. Volvo also had new skid steer loaders on display, and the company's latest machines are built for it by JCB in a manufacturing joint venture. As a result, the new machines feature the distinctive monoboom design that is a familiar hallmark of JCB's machines. These new skid steer loaders were of course also a big feature of JCB's stand, but in addition the company showed a very interesting new machine in the form of the 1CXT. This is a tracked compact backhoe loader to go with its 1CX, the wheeled equivalent. Now, it's a very small machine, not much bigger than a skid steer loader, But despite this, the front end offers a loading height of 2.65 metres and the maximum digging depth with the rear excavating arm is 3.05 metres. So I hope you enjoyed that short video, and we hope to see you again the next time ConExpo is held in March 2014. Thank you for watching.